Hi, today we will see why we use templates, what are the templates, why we use it, and how it will be impact our programming style. Let's see, for example, we want to sum two numbers and display it information on the screens. For the simplicity purpose, let's call it sum, and it will take ends x and then enter y integer y. It will take two parameter of integer type and see out its information. So in main program we will declare two integer a. Let's say we assign it where 10, and integer b is equal to 20, and call our function sum a comma b. So these two parameters are passed, and let's run it. So the desired answer come on the screen, that is 30. Let's say we declare double variable where let's say for example 28.4 and double variable d 30.5 and call the sum function. Let's see, and these two parameters are passed to the function. Let's remove this code to avoid any confusion. So let's see the answer on the screen. The answer is 58. Let's see, this is 28 and 30, 58, but due to this integer part they cut out the fraction part and answer was incorrect. So we cannot use this function for these two different parameter, different data types. Like first we pass the integer, that was correct, that was the desired answer, but in case of double it doesn't give. For double we will create another function, and that is a sum. Let's say for example sum double, that will accept double x double y, two parameters, and see out its sum x plus y. And when we call the second function double, so let's see on the screen, the answer is correct, it is 58.9. So in this case if we need for float, for other data types, we will create a function again and again, and we will call the correct function every time. So this is not a good programming. For this purpose we use templates. Templates are used to write a generic code for this type of similar and identical function. These two functions do the same task, but it fails when we if we create it for integer. So it will not accept the double, or simply it will accept but it will be cast to integer, and then the addition will be wrong and the answer will be not the desired answer. So for this purpose we use a template. Let's see how we will use template. So first I will explain it, just you bear with me. Template class, I will explain it in a later. Let's say call it t, and void sum and t x comma t y, and see out x plus y, same as before, but this part is changed. Let's see it answer. So sum double is not present, so as we remove the function, it now it is only sum. Let's see it. The answer is 1500, which is correct. Let's see again, check it for integer. Let's see, int a is equal to 34 and b is equal to 20 and call the sum function. Eh, and the answer is 54 for the first one, this one 54, and 58.9 for this. So what happened here? With the help of template we create just one function. Here is the keyword template, in order to tell the compiler that it is a template, and here is the keyword class, and this t is a variable. You can change it at your own, a b c d whatever you want to, and then use that variable. This variable will be used here and here. So what is happening when we call this function? From here we pass the parameter a and b, so the compiler check it, a is integer and b is integer, so the compiler change this t to int. Here what happened exactly? This t is changed into int, and this t is changed to int. This is what compiler generate the code for this function, and call this function, and we see that the answer was desired answer. So in case of the double, when the compiler see that c and d variables are double, so this t changed because of this template, it changed into double, and it also t change into double. So when the double variable call this function, it changes to double, and we see the desired answer. Hope you will understand. We will see you in the